Order of battle for the Leningrad strategic defensive covering the period 10 July to 30 September 1941. Soviet Union. Fronts and fleets. Northern Front. The Northern Front was active from 10 July to 23 August 1941, when the command was divided into the Karelian and Leningrad fronts. Operated in Estonia. Leningrad Front. The Leningrad Front was first formed on 23 August 1941, by dividing the Northern Front into the Leningrad Front and Karelian Front. During the German approach on Leningrad, the front participated through the end of the operation. It operated from the Gulf of Finland to Lake Ilmen and in Estonia until 27 August. Northwestern Front. The Northwestern Front was involved in the operation for the entire duration. It operated in the area from Pskov to Novozhev, then south and southeast of Lake Ilmen. Baltic Fleet source. Red Army. 8th Army. The 8th Army was involved in the operation for the entire period, first operating in Estonia, then divided into two parts, one the Tallinn area and the other in the Narva, Kingisepp. The army ended the operation in the area which would become the Oranienbaum bridgehead. 11th Army. The 11th Army was involved in the operation for the entire period. It led the defense of the areas west and southwest of the Lake Ilmen, retreating to the area south and then southeast of the lake. 27th Army. The 27th Army was involved in the operation for the entire period, led the defense in the area from Slavkovich, Novozhev, retreating towards Kum and then further to the north shore of Lake Seliga. 34th Army. The Army's involvement began in early August 1941 near Staraya Russa and to the south. The Army eventually retreated to the area east of Demyansk. 42nd Army. The Army took part in the operation from 9 to 30 September 1941, conducted combat operations in the approaches to Leningrad from the Gulf of Finland to the city of Pushkin. 48th Army. The Army was involved in the operation from 10 August to 14 September 1941, when the Army was disbanded. The Army operated in the area west of the Lake Ilmen. 52nd Separate Army. The Army was involved in the operation from 26 August to the turn of the Volkhov River north of Novgorod. 54th Army. The Army was formed on 5 September 1941 with the mission of securing the shores of Lake Ladoga to prevent the Germans from encircling Leningrad. The Army participated in the operation to the end. Composition on 1 October 1941. 3rd Guards Rifle Division, 4th Guards Rifle Division, 128th Rifle Division, 286th Rifle Division, 294th Rifle Division, 310th Rifle Division, 1st Mountain Brigade, 881st Artillery Regiment, 882nd Artillery Regiment 2, 5th Guards Mortar Regiment 4, 4th Guards Mortar Regiment, 21st Tank Division, 16th Tank Brigade, 122nd Tank Brigade, 5th Motorized Engineer Battalion, 135th Motorized Engineer Battalion, 136th Motorized Engineer Battalion, 3rd Reserve Aviation Group, 4 Fighter Aviation Regiments, 3 Bomber Aviation Regiment, 1 Assault Aviation Regiment. 55th Army. The Army was formed on 1 September 1941 and operated in the area from Pushkin to the bend of the Neva River through the end of the operation. Leningrad People's Militia. See Leningrad Narodnoye Opolchenie Army for details on Leningrad's militia units. In late September 1941, the divisions were incorporated into the Red Army. Operational groups. Lugar Operational Group, Southern Operational Group took part in the fighting from mid-July in Lugar through the 16th of September, where the group was disbanded in Leningrad. Corps Operational Group composition on 1 September 1941. 1st Guards Leningrad People's Militia Division, 2nd Leningrad People's Militia Division, 522nd Rifle Regiment, 519th Howitzer Artillery Regiment, 24th Tank Regiment 295th Sapper Battalion Nevskaya Operational Group Composition on 1 October 1941. 115th Rifle Division 1st Rifle Division 4th Naval Infantry Brigade 1st Fighter Battalion 4th Fighter Battalion 5th Fighter Battalion 230th Artillery Regiment 1, 577th Howitzer Artillery Regiment 24th Anti-Tank Artillery Battalion 20th Mortar Battalion 107th Tank Battalion 21st Pontoon Bridge Battalion Novgorod Operational Group German presents the largest in units of the German Armed Forces. It should be borne in mind that the operation involved a variety of specialists, such as artillery and self-propelled artillery, Samokatnaya, rail, engineering, combat engineers, pontoon bridge, part of the Army Air Defense and the Luftwaffe. Army Group North data on 8 August 1941. 18th Army participated throughout the operation. Led offensive in Estonia, along the eastern shore of Lake Peipsi, then advanced on Leningrad from the southwest and west. The XXXXII Army Corps was transferred to the 18th Army on 18 July 1941. XXXXII Army Corps 61st Infantry Division 217th Infantry Division 26 Army Corps 93rd Infantry Division 254th Infantry Division 291st Infantry Division Panzergruppe 4 participated in the operation from 10 July to 18 September 1941. The unit was the main striking force for the German forces' attack towards Leningrad. The 56th Motorized Corps advanced towards Luga, bypassing the city to the north, breaking through Soviet positions south of Knyazep, Krasnovardisk, and reached the Pulkovo Heights. On 15 September the main forces of the group begin its redeployment from the Leningrad axis to the Moscow axis. The L Army Corps was transferred to the group on 14 August 1941. XXXXI Corps 1st Infantry Division 1st Panzer Division 6th Panzer Division 8th Panzer Division 36th Infantry Division 56 Motorized Corps 269th Infantry Division SS Police Division 3rd Infantry Division 38 Corps 58th Infantry Division L Army Corps 269th Infantry Division SS Police Division 16th Army participated in the operation for the entire period. Originally moving in the area south of Lake Ilmen, the Army's right flank was engaged against the Western Front. After regrouping, the Army advanced north and south of Lake Ilmen on the Novgorod-Shudovo-Leningrad and Staraya-Russa-Demyansk axis. 27th Army Corps 96th Infantry Division 121st Infantry Division 122nd Infantry Division SS Totenkov Division 1 Army Corps 11th Infantry Division 21st Infantry Division 126th Infantry Division 2 Army Corps 12th Infantry Division 32nd Infantry Division 123rd Infantry Division 10 Army Corps 30th Infantry Division 290th Infantry Division 3rd Panzer Group. Part of the group was involved in operations from 24 August to the end of the operation at Leningrad and from 30 August to 24 September 1941 in the Demyansk direction. 39th Motorized Corps 12th Panzer Division 18th Motorized Division 20th Motorized Division 57 Motorized Corps 19th Panzer Division 20th Panzer Division Luftflotte 1 data as of 3 August 1941. 2. OBDL Wakusta 1 KGRZ BV 106 1st Flyer Corps took part in the entire operation. Reinforces by Kampfgeschwader 4 on 6 August 1941. 5th Squadron, 122nd Intelligence Group Kampfgeschwader 1 He-111H. Ju-88A Kampfgeschwader 76 Ju-88A Kampfgeschwader 77 Ju-88A Sturs Kampfgeschwader 77 Ju-87B Bf 110 Zerstörergeschwader 26, Bf 110 Jagdgeschwader 54, Bf 109 F Jagdgeschwader 53, Bf 109 F 8th Flieger Corps. The 8th Flieger Corps took part in the operation from late July to the 20th of September 1941.